Welcome to Australia. Australia is a beautiful and diverse country located in the southern hemisphere. It is the world's sixth largest country, and it's also the only continent that is entirely its own country. Australia has a rich history, a unique culture, and is known for its natural beauty and abundant wildlife. Millions of tourists visit this lovely country each year. Australia is known for its stunning natural beauty, with a diverse range of landscapes and environments. The country has some of the world's most beautiful beaches, with the famous Bondi Beach in Sydney being a popular tourist destination. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is another must-see attraction. Australia also has vast desert landscapes, rainforests, and mountains, making it a popular destination for nature lovers. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Australia. Sydney. Sydney is one of the most popular destinations in Australia, and for good reason. The iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge are must-see attractions, and the city's beaches, parks, and museums offer plenty of activities for visitors. Melbourne. This beautiful city is known for its coffee culture, vibrant art scene, and excellent shopping. The city also has a rich history, and visitors can explore the Royal Botanic Gardens, the Melbourne Museum, and the historic Queen Victoria Market. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most incredible natural wonders in the world. Visitors can snorkel or dive to see the colorful coral and marine life, or take a scenic flight over the reef for a bird's-eye view. Tasmania. Tasmania is an island state located off the coast of Australia and is known for its rugged wilderness, stunning coastline, and charming towns. Visitors can explore the state's national parks, hike through the Tasmanian wilderness, or sample local wines and produce. The Whitsundays. These islands are a group of 74 islands located off the coast of Queensland. The islands are known for their crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and stunning coral reefs. Visitors can snorkel or dive to explore the underwater world, or relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Kakadu National Park. Kakadu National Park is located in the Northern Territory and is known for its rugged terrain, stunning waterfalls, and rich cultural heritage. Visitors can take guided tours through the park to learn about the local wildlife and culture, or hike through the wilderness to explore the park's natural wonders. The Great Ocean Road. The Great Ocean Road is a scenic drive that stretches along the southern coast of Victoria. The road passes through picturesque coastal towns and offers stunning views of the ocean and the famous 12 Apostles rock formations. The Blue Mountains. This landscape and beautiful mountain range located just a short drive from Sydney. Visitors can stroll through the jungle, explore the harsh scenery, or enjoy a picturesque cable car ride over the Jameson Valley. The Jenolan Caves and the historic village of Katoomba are also renowned tourist destinations. Fraser Island. The world's largest sand island and is located off the coast of Queensland. The island is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear lakes, and unique wildlife, including dingoes and wallabies. Australia is a vast and diverse country with many unique destinations to explore. Whether you're interested in natural wonders, cultural heritage, or urban attractions, there is something for everyone in this beautiful country. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this videos, then like it and subscribe this channel for your next dream travel destination videos. And don't forget to press the bell button.